My name's Eluned. I'm a jewellery designer from mid-Wales. I concentrate on Welsh slate jewellery, and I combine the slates with precious materials such as silver and gold to create contemporary jewellery. I think it's important for you to have passion for your work, and also that your work is original and unique, so it stands out from what other people have to offer. Since I have 3 children, it is a bit of a juggling act, but it takes long hours in the workshop, late in the evenings. When I was starting the business, I did attend quite a few events like the Royal Welsh Show and the is-deitlau, and that was a good platform for me to showcase my work. By now the website is quite established. Since I get quite a few orders online, I don't find that I need to do as much marketing, but when I do find that I can push the business forward, I'll certainly be looking at going to events again and stocking in shops just to promote the name of the business. I think it's important for you when you're starting off a business to do quite a lot of research into what your competitors are creating. You have to make sure that your product is unique and of high quality.